morning, class. Today, we will continue with our chapter Geometry with the help of video Geometry Part 4. In this video, we will study about triangles. So, without further ado, let's start away. Before we continue, let's understand what do we mean by a triangle. A triangle is a closed figure that has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Now, let's see in how many ways can we classify our triangles. Triangles can be classified on 2 bases. The first is according to sides and the second is according to angles. So, in this video, we will study both of them one by one. So, let's begin with according to sides. According to sides, we can classify our triangles into 3 types. The first is Scalene Triangle, the second Isosceles Triangle, and the third is Equilateral Triangle. So, let's study one by one. First of all, let's understand which triangles are Scalene triangles. A triangle that has all sides unequal is called Scalene Triangle. That means when you measure all the 3 sides, they will be different. So, they are called Scalene Triangle. Similarly, a second is Isosceles Triangle. A triangle that has 2 sides equal is called Isosceles Triangle. Similarly, our last is Equilateral Triangle. A triangle that has all 3 sides equal is called Equilateral Triangle. That means whenever you encounter a triangle which has all the 3 sides equal, they will be Equilateral Triangle. Now, let's study the classification based on angles. On the basis of angles, we can classify our triangles into 3 types. The first is Acute Angle Triangle. The second is Obtuse Angle Triangle. Last but not the least, we have Right Angle Triangle. So, let's study them one by one. Our first type is Acute Angle Triangle. Acute Angle Triangle are those triangles where all the angles are acute, that is less than 90 degree. So, any angle or in a triangle, if all the angles are less than 90, we call them Acute Angle Triangle. Similarly, our next is Obtuse Angle Triangle. So, in a triangle that has one angle obtuse, we call it Obtuse Angle Triangle. Please note, we can't have more than one angle obtuse in our triangle. Similarly, our last is Right Angle Triangle. A triangle that has one right angle is called Right Angle Triangle. That means one of the angles should measure 90 degree. Now, another point we have is called angle sum property, which is the basis of construction and creation of triangles. It states that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. It cannot be more than 180, it cannot be less than 180. It should be exactly 180 degree. And this is what we call angle sum property. I hope you understood the topic. Till we meet next, thank you.